Morning, Rakshit. Thanks for coming on Gimme 10. Thank you for being on the show today.
Thank you so much. It's been an honor to be here. Thank you.
I'm so glad you are here finally after going back and forth. So, Rakshit, I'll just introduce you for the audience today. This is Rakshit Mathur, founder and CEO at the Fuel Delivery. And Rakshit, we want to know everything that you're doing. So I'll deep dive into the first question. What are you doing these days and why?
Okay, so thank you so much, like I said, for having me here. What we are doing at the Fuel Delivery is the brand in itself says it all, that we are here to deliver fuel at the doorstep. This is something which is happening for the very first time in the most legal and compliant manner. And that is what we praise and feel proud of every day. The idea is to bring the most complicated, regulated product at customers' disposal with ease, convenience, and in the most compliant manner. And for that, I think the browsers that we have got made through which we go and deliver the diesel, the way the whole order management happens through an application is something that is happening for the first time. Otherwise, it has always been in a very unregulated way that has happened. You know, somebody's picking up the phone, calling the nearest petrol pump, and those guys will send their their private vehicle with some drums in their car to deliver diesel. So I think in that perspective, we are trying to organize this space and also looking for a lot of innovations in times to come, so that this perhaps open up for people like you and me. To give you a very small example, the best thing will ever happen when Juhu is going back from office to her residence, and suddenly that light pops up in the vehicle, says that the tank is getting empty, and you don't have to worry. You go home and just call TFD, and TFD comes to your doorstep and deliver fuel in your vehicle and move on. And you just pay as you would pay to any other food delivery application today.
Wow.
So I think that is where we want to go, and that why that keeps us going, you know, on a daily basis. That how to transform the whole energy distribution that is happening in the current space in India. And I think there are many and enough examples that are happening in international markets, with which we can take some calls, we can take some instances and do it in a place like India as well.
Fantastic. My God, that will really ease life. I can't imagine. I hate sitting in the car and the driver says, "Ma'am, petrol dalwana hai." My God, it's like my biggest downer. I just hate it.
And it
Okay.
is for many people, and most of the times in a place like India, you would detour, you know, to go to a petrol bunk.
Yeah, most often.
It will never
not.
come.
Yeah.
It will never come in on the way where you are going. So
Absolutely. Absolutely. Okay, Rakshit, next question. Share one experience that has either stayed with you or changed your life. Anything you want to share with us?
I think the one thing that stays with me forever, I think that is the way we are all brought up in the family, and those are values and behaviors that we run our personal lives and as well as our corporate lives now. And that is the culture that we are building in the organization like the Fuel Delivery. I think it is something which is very, very important. Integrity plays a very, very important role. This is a business that is considered to be, I don't want to use this word, but yes, this is called as a dirty business. You know, people do a lot of adulterations. There are a lot of pilferages that happens in this business. But one thing that we want to be sure of is that when we are serving the customers, we want to be at best on integrity. We want to be at best on the quality and the quantity that we deliver. And we want them to be rest assured that there is no cheating that is happening in this business. So I think that starts with the very basic of anybody's life, that is the values and behavior that is getting driven.
Amazing. That's fantastic. Okay, and the last question, what keeps you motivated every day?
I think to change something drastically for people like you and me, to create that differentiation, to bring convenience and what all that one can think of when it is related to energy distribution is something that keeps us going. And I think those are the things that we are running after. Right from the fuel to gases in times to come, and then eventually the electric part that is having a lot of noise these days. So I think the real thing that we run after is how we can bring all these energy distributions in a manner to the end customer that will give them the best of the convenience with the least of the troubles. And I think there is a lot of innovation that is in this scope that we are running after, and I'm sure that in times to come we will be able to deliver that what we are here for.
Amazing. And I wish you all the best, Rachit. This is sounding so exciting. So thank you
you
so
so
much. I wish you all the best. Thanks a lot.